Yo, what is up, guys? Come here. So I'm currently at Bunghmun, which is located in Lunglei district, and it's about 43 kilometers from Lunglei. And the road to here is like a snake, you know? Yeah, yeah, it was a bumpy ride. Anyway, so I'm here to introduce you two of my new friends. One is this puppy. It's a she, so her name is Asomi, which I named after my cousin sister's name. She probably won't like it. Anyway, and I'm gonna show you one of my friends. He's grazing over there. You see that? That's Billy. Billy the goat. Yo, Billy, stop eating those grass! Anyway, this is an abandoned house. Nobody lives here anymore. Anyway, that's the actual village. And the only nearby neighbor that we have is the hospital, which is like on the flip side. Billy! And yeah, I'm surrounded by this amazing, beautiful trees. Beautiful blue sky. And also, apart from my furry friends, I actually got new human friends. Come here! Which is awesome. We played some card games as well last night, which is cool. Billy is eating some grass. Come here. Alright, so, okay, here we have Asomi. Isn't she the cutest? Say hi to the camera. This is Asomi, and we're gonna do some tricks. Alright, Asomi, no, fetch. Go fetch. She's a bit camera shy, so, and she's just a puppy. Oh, yeah. She's just tired. Off camera we were playing so much, and now she's tired. She can do flip. She can do somersault. She can do long jump, high jump, handshake, high five. You named it. She can do everything. What about you, Billy? Come here. Can you do a flip? Can you do fetch? Go. Yeah, they're just tired. So yeah, anyway, I'm here talking to animals. Bored. Lonely. I mean, not to the point where I would cry. But yeah, I kind of miss my friends, like all of you. Not just some animals. I mean, I love them, they're cute. My life is awesome. Yeah. Anyway, I'm just bored and don't know what to do, so that's why I'm making this video. It doesn't have any purpose or any... I don't know. Yeah. Okay, let's go. Let's go in. Let's go inside. Come on, Billy. Billy. Billy, 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 Billy. Billy. Come. Asomi.